Alrighty, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my music. Of course, I showed you how I make everything, but I haven't showed you exactly how to use the instruments and the tracks and all that good stuff. Hold on. Let me delete this one. This one particularly is annoying. Anyways, go ahead and press that add button, of course, as normal. Got all these live loops and these tracks. Now, of course, here's all these genres. Tell me what you want. There's EDM, hip-hop, dubstep, R&B, house, chill, rock, electro, funk, beatmaster, Chinese traditional, Chinese modern, reggaeton, pop master, chromium, fray, Godzilla, Latina, bass, house master, edges and angles, future, bass master, chill, hip-hop master, elevated beats, which is and rising higher transition effects, so I can add them in flex and flow. And then we got tracks over here, which you got all of these stuff where you get to play like legitimate instruments. Like, here we go, hold on a second. For example, let's go on to drums, acoustic. I'm not very good with this stuff. I usually mess around with the notes, but let's try this. Yeah, I'm not very good, but let's try this. Yeah, I mess up easily, but anyways. Ooh, that one's good. Wait, hold on, let me try something. Wait, hold on. Anyways, of course you gotta have those, but see, I'm just horrible with these. Anyways, now here's strings, bass, guitars, more sounds. Let's do hard rock. Let me turn up the volume real quick. Hold on. There we go. Hold on, let me try this. Oh my god, why does it have to do Yeah, that was a bad note. See, I have to, of course, you always have to go through them, make sure they're right. Like this. Yeah, but I wonder what these do. Now, see, I told you I usually go on the chords. And I usually sometimes do autoplay. See how well this works? But anyways. Horrible, look at that. I usually don't mess around with these as much as I do the live loop tracks. Like, say, hold on a second. Godzilla Latina, let's try that real quick. Just gotta show you what it does. And sometimes you can do this. See these buttons down here? Watch if you press this. Pretty good, huh? And of course you can always mix them up. But yeah, of course you got that. And then if you can go over here, here's dubstep. Dubstep is one of my particular favorite genres. I don't know why, it just always has. I know a lot of dubstep's dead nowadays, but it just is, you know. But of course, as normal, you can the loops. Sorry about that. Patient. But yeah, and of course, as normal, you can always add your loops. Like, hold on, genres. Let's go genres dubstep. Here, let me try to play one. You can always preview them, like that. Orchestrate the chaos later. Ooh. And then here's a synth art. Ooh, I like that one pretty. And of course, you got many, many more. Like Dragon Tomba. Ooh, nice, bad. Now, the ones with the green come from actual music. And they allowed them to put it on here. I particularly like that one. Always have, always will. Only certain ones have these, by the way. Now, I got all these things to go through, and whichever one you guys like, I'd be willing to do it, whatever genre you want. All that other good stuff. Ooh, I'm finding new ones. I should totally sometime do a remix on all of my favorites. Tell me what you guys think. So, as you can tell, there's a lot to pick through. You got so much to pick through. Watch this. So now, of course, if you want to go onto your favorites, you got all of these favorites right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and you want to add them together, you go over to press new. And you press the add button. Alrighty. You pick it, you pulled it, you dragged over. Put all the synths in them. Like, same one, oops. Go ahead and drag that back on that one. Okay. So whatever you guys think would be good, let me know down in the comments below, and see you back in another video. Peace out.